Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to install MR1 suspension to Xiaomi M365 scooter. To begin, let's dismantle the MR1 unit. You can easily split the swing arm by removing those two axle bolts. Just be careful not to drop the washer from it. Let's install the shock holder. Attaching the shock holder to the scooter base, use the 3 small Allen screws included and make sure it is tightened enough. Drilling a hole. By using the drill bit provided, you have to drill it all the way through on both sides. Attaching the left and right brackets. After drilling, you can now screw the brackets on both sides. Attach the suspension shock to the shock holder and insert the axles bolt. Do not forget the washer. At this point, you can just screw it but don't tighten up yet. Screw the right swing arm. Followed by the left swing arm. Again, don't tighten the screws yet. Attach the feather in between the swing arm first before attaching the suspension. But don't forget the washer. Again, don't tighten up the screws here. You can now attach the swing arm to the suspension. As you can see, I have 10 inches solid tire to install. Just take your time on this process. Just give a bit spin to make sure it is smoothly running. You can now tighten all the screws. Putting back the caliper brake. Make sure it is properly aligned by pushing it forward a bit. Then, give a bit spin before tightening up. Screw the arm to the feather. Install the feather cover on the boat swing arm. Install the backlight by removing the cover from adhesive tape. This is just an option. If you think your cable is enough to reach the caliper, don't replace it. In my case, it is too short, so I need to replace it. Insert the new cable. Just to give you some idea, I put some bumper strip all over the edge. It will help somehow from scratches. I also replaced my old caliper to X-Tech HB100, but you need to change also the brake disc from 110mm to 120mm. So that's it guys. After long hours of working, the final product is now revealed. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please click the like and subscribe button or leave a comment below for any of your questions.